AI smart glasses are becoming more popular, and according to this box, these glasses can do all of this. You got voice control, music, playback, phone calls, photos, videos, object recognition, real-time translation, Wi-Fi transmission, AI features, and even image stabilization. Those are some pretty big claims. So today we're going to put some, if not all of these, to the test and find out if they're actually worth your money.
The silence fades into the night. Coyotes sing at the moonlight. These open highways are calling our name, and now it's time for...
Hey everyone, I'm Keith and welcome to Keith's Tool Reviews. On this channel, I don't read marketing brochures. I test the way normal people actually use them. If it works, I'll tell you. If it doesn't, I'll tell you that too. Let's open these up. Alright, so here we go. Inside the box, we have what appears to be the glasses, a charging cable, the storage bag, extra lenses, and looks like a cleansing cloth. Nothing too surprising so far. And it looks like we have a user manual in there as well. Alright, so let's talk about some first impressions. First thing I'm noticing is they're very lightweight. It's made of plastic. The hinges are easy to open. Camera placement is over on this side, it looks like. They feel kind of cheap, but they look okay. There's only one button, and it looks like that button is over here on this hinge right here. Right there. I don't know if you can see that, but right there's the button. I already paired these before filming, so you don't have to watch me spend 5 minutes connecting to Bluetooth. So setup only took a couple of minutes. Download the app, connect the glasses, and you're ready to go. So manufacturer claims. Now it's time to see if these features actually work. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to lay the phone face up. I'm going to put the glasses next to it, and I'm going to let you guys hear the results. Okay, so test 1 says voice wake. The box says wake on voice, so we're going to test this. Hey Star. Okay, so that worked on the first try. Right now it has a KTR approved rating. So we're going to try to play some music. Let's see how it sounds. Okay, so when I'm listening to the music, the volume is pretty loud. You can hear it really good. The bass, clarity. There's no audio leakage. So that all tests good as well. Now this is the feature most people are going to want to see, I do believe. Alright, so we're going to test this. This is the app. We're going to test looking at stuff. So we're going to test looking at the engine here. See how that goes. We're going to try to walk around, see how that goes. See if it does any better. See how the stabilization is. See how the movement is. We've got a lot of things going on right now, so we're just trying to see what is working. I just went through a coolant flush on this thing, so if y'all are interested in seeing more automotive stuff, let me know. But you can kind of check in here. I can show you guys more hands-free stuff. Oil is on the safe side. So alright, so there was some options I wasn't able to record for you guys. For example, the object recognition, the translation, and some of the other AI features like what time is it, what's today's weather, what is an alternator. The AI responded rather quickly and was kind of humorous in a way. I'll try to pop that up on screen as like a screen recording to kind of show you guys. These are very comfortable. I've worn them for about the past 30 minutes. I've actually forgotten that they were here. So, you know, with that being said, I don't feel like there's any pressure. They don't get hot or anything. They're very light on the face and the nose comfort. Some things like are tight on your nose, but hey, that's actually pretty comfortable.
This is a hammer, mainly used for driving nails or pulling them out, especially with wood. In the image, it's held near a wooden frame. Want to know how to use it? Or are you planning to build something sneaky? Alright, no hammer fun today. Let me know if you change your mind or need help with anything else. This is a cordless impact wrench, mainly used for tightening or loosening nuts and bolts with high power. The brand on it is Hart. It makes quick work of tough fasteners. That object looks like a flat-screen television or computer monitor sitting on a desk, with some electronics and papers nearby. Care to guess what everyone's favorite show to binge on it is? Alright, keeping it a mystery then. Let me know if you want to talk tech or switch topics. La traducción de tools al español es herramientas. Tools 翻译成中文是工具. Das deutsche Wort für Tools ist Werkzeuge. Right now, it's 8:55 in the evening. Today's weather in La Follette is warm with a temperature of 27.5 degrees Celsius and a gentle wind at 5.5 kilometers per hour. It's daytime with clear conditions. An alternator is a device in vehicles that generates electricity by converting mechanical energy into electrical energy using electromagnetic induction. It supplies power to the car's electrical systems and charges the battery while the engine runs. Without it, your battery would quickly lose power.
Now, here comes the most important part. Let's see where these are actually going to be useful. I think these glasses are going to make the most sense in like a hands-on first-person experience, like changing a tire, changing oil, future unboxing videos, and some other ideas that I may have along the line. So here's our final score. Let's see how many of these claims actually held up. Voice, check. Music, check. Calls, check. Camera, check. Recognition, check. Translation, check. AI, check. The anti-shake, check. Live streaming, check. Wi-Fi, check. Single touch, check. It meets all the qualifications. So here's my verdict. Would I actually recommend these? These are going to get the KTR approved symbol today. And the reason why is because these are so lightweight and they're actually really good. Some of the footage that I went back and looked at, it shows that they picked up really well. For a budget pair of glasses without spending the big bucks, I would definitely recommend these. So if this review has helped you decide whether these AI smart glasses are worth buying, I'd really appreciate it if you hit the like and subscribe. I've got more honest reviews coming soon, including a digital torque wrench, a circuit tracer, and a new HyperTough toolbox. I'm Keith with Keith's Tool Reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, check out one of these videos right here, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.